Hi, first graders. If you happen to watch this video early in the morning or maybe even on Monday, I just want to remind you we have a Zoom call at 11 o'clock on Tuesday. Bring your flat U, bring your tangram, and we're going to show them and have another chance to see each other. I am not going to have a story time video today because for reading, we're going to do our Zoom call, and then the other thing you need to do is just your writing, which is where did I go in your flat U journal. So a lot of us aren't going very many places right now, so maybe you just write about what you did at home. Maybe your flat U came and played outside with you, or maybe it was at your table drawing or doing a game or a puzzle. Maybe you did go somewhere. Some people are starting to go places, so maybe you did go somewhere this weekend and you can write about where your flat U went. So draw a picture of your flat U, and then don't forget that complete sentence. I saw some super neat writing in the work that got turned in. Brooklyn Herkimer, your writing looked so nice, good job. So I want you to work on that super neat writing, nice neat letters. Don't forget, start every sentence with a capital letter. Don't mix those capitals in. End your sentence with a punctuation mark. And you have your checklist here for capital letters, punctuation, finger spaces, neatness, and on topic, and we're writing about where did I go. Okay, now let's talk about math. So for math today, you are going to be doing something called picture graphs. So our learning target is I can use a picture graph to show how many. So what a picture graph is called a visual, something you can look at to keep track of how many or to show how many and to count how many. In the past we've done, when I taught kindergarten, we did a picture graph for the weather. So we could see how many sunny days there were, how many cloudy days, and rainy and snowy. And it's just a really easy way to look and see which has more, which has less. So I did an example on the board, and I did summer treats. So we're pretending like there were 6 kids, and they had a choice of if they like popsicles better or ice cream better. So this top row, you go across, you look at what you're counting, and then each box will show how many. So there's a smiley face for each kid. So if you look at popsicles, how many kids liked popsicles the best? I see 1, 2. And down here it says blank chose popsicles. So 2 chose popsicles. And then it says ice cream. And each box is for 1 kid that liked ice cream. So take a look at that and how many kids like ice cream. I see 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now we can think about this information that we have. Did more kids like ice cream or popsicles? I see 4 for ice cream, and I know that's more than 2, so more liked ice cream. And which was less popular, popsicles or ice cream? I see only 2 for popsicles, and we know 2 is less than 4. So that's what you're going to do on your math today. You're going to look at the picture graph to find information about how many kids chose certain things. And you have a front side and a back side. All right, bye first graders.